Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward with all the latest update regarding the NEET UG 2024 counseling, so that being a NEET UG 2024 aspirant, you will be updated about everything which is going on in the NEET UG 2024 counseling. And if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel. If you need any kind of the help being a NEET UG 2024 aspirant in the counseling, you can contact me by any of the mode. Either you can book and call and talk to me, or you can DM me on my Instagram ID and then you can discuss your case, or you can join the paid WhatsApp group of NEET UG 2024 counseling. You can WhatsApp me on the given number which is shown on your screen, right? Now let's start with the latest update. Definitely the date and time is very important in the counseling. So make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the like button. Now the first update is regarding the Kerala state. The round 1 provisional allotment result has been published. Final allotment of the result of Kerala will be published on 29th August 2024. Second important update is regarding the Uttar Pradesh state. Yes, the choice filling is available till 29th August up to 11 am. That means till tomorrow morning. MCC round 1 final seat allotment is published. So you need to download the allotment letter and reporting time is till 29th August 2024. That means till tomorrow. Followed by for the Maharashtra State Counseling, the choice filling is available till 29th August 2024 up to 6 pm. For the Bihar State, the provisional allotment is published. You need to download your allotment letter from 28th August 2024 to 2nd September 2024. Document verification and the admission you need to take in the Bihar from the date of 29th August 2024 till 2nd September 2024. For the Himachal Pradesh NEET UG 2024 counseling, provisional allotment result has been published on 29th August 2024. For the Rajasthan state, the security deposit is available to do till 28th August up to 3 pm. That is last date today. Followed by the choice filling is also available till 28th August up to auto locking at 11:45 pm. That is the last date today. Followed by the Chandigarh, the physical counseling and reporting at the venue, that is also available till today, that is 28th August 2024. For the Chhattisgarh state, the NEET UG counseling update is that the seat allotment is to be published on the 30th August 2024. Followed by the Tripura, the allotment or the result or the seat allotment will be published on 29th August 2024. The update for the NEET UG 2024 counseling for the Assam is that the seat allotment will be published on 29th August 2024 in case of Assam. Now the Haryana state update is that deposition of the tuition fee through the admission web portal is available from the 27th August 2024 till 1st August 2024. Now the Uttarakhand state NEET UG 2024 counseling, that the allotment will be published on 29th August 2024. For the Tamil Nadu NRI or MQ quota, the seat allotment will be published on 29th August 2024. For the West Bengal, choice filling is available till the 12 noon of 29 August 2024. The NEET UG 2024 counseling Karnataka update is that the round 1 allotment result is published on 1st September 2024 after 6 pm. In case of IPU, the allotment is published on 29th August 2024. SMU update for NEET UG 2024 counseling is that the allotment is published. You need to do the payment till 2nd September 2024. Reporting time is available till 5th September 2024. In case of Gujarat NEET UG 2024 counseling, the choice filling is available till 29th August 12 noon. Odisha, that you need to download the allotment letter, and the reporting time for the Odisha NEET UG 2024 counseling is the 29th August 2024 to 3rd September 2024. For the Andhra Pradesh NEET UG 2024 counseling, registration with the late fee is available till tomorrow, that is 29th August 2024 up to 2 p.m. So that's all about the latest update in the different state in case of the NEET UG 2024 counseling. I know a lot of dates are about to over tomorrow, and definitely I think this video will be updated in the morning on my channel, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. I'll try to upload it on my channel as early as possible. So that's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.